Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Gunderson. For the staff training, you will be watching 3 videos on policies and procedures at Anew. Each video will cover 3 different topics. This video will cover maltreatment reporting, client rights, and the grievance procedure, and HIPAA. Let's get started. A little bit about me. I graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science with minors in Biology and Public Health from the University of Minnesota Duluth in 2021. I worked at a group home, then a domestic violence shelter in Duluth after graduating. Then in 2023, I came back down to the Twin Cities and began working on my master's through the University of Maryland College Park and working at Anew in August of 2023. I worked at Anew as an overnight recovery advocate till the end of 2025 and resigned from my position to focus on finishing my master's. My ultimate goal is to help create programs that are trauma-informed and person-centered for people with co-occurring substance use disorder and mental health disorders. So when working with vulnerable adults, ensuring the client's safety is of utmost importance. In Minnesota, a vulnerable adult is defined as an individual with a mental impairment that is unable to care for themselves independently without assistance and may not have the ability to protect themselves from maltreatment. All individuals who are enrolled in a residential treatment program in Minnesota are considered vulnerable adults. So first and foremost, if the client is at risk of immediate harm, call 911. In addition, call the Minnesota Adult Abuse Reporting Center at 844-880-1574 to make a report of abuse, neglect, or exploitation. If you suspect maltreatment but are unsure, you can call the number listed on the slide. Even if you aren't sure, speaking up can help ensure the client's safety. If you are considered a mandated reporter, which all licensed professionals are, you can make a report online by looking up the MARC mandated reporting form. Together, you can ensure that all individuals under your care are safe and get access to the resources they need. To learn more about maltreatment reporting, visit the website listed on the slide to help you determine what action you should take if you suspect maltreatment. The website can be easily found by typing Vulnerable Adult Protection and Elder Abuse MN in Google. It's important for staff to understand client rights and how to help clients file a grievance form. This is because clients deserve to feel safe and feel like they belong in treatment. Creating a safe environment for clients allows for clients to thrive and be successful. In terms of the client, they will have a few steps they will take when filing a report. First, they will find a trusted staff member. Then, they will say why they are filing a grievance. If need be, they can request the help of staff when filling out a grievance form. If the client feels their grievance has not been resolved, they can talk to Sam Krebish, or if the grievance involves Sam, they can go to Elizabeth Volkman. In terms of staff will assist clients when filling grievances and help them access supporting services. If the client requests, staff can provide clients with external advocacy and oversight agencies, which can be found in the policies and procedures. Staff that are responsible for assisting in the grievance process will ensure they are filed in a timely manner and follow the complaint review process. First, it will be a review of procedures. Then they will assess existing procedures. Then identify whether staff training needs to occur, and then implement corrective action if needed. Lastly, the client and their case manager will receive a written resolution. Any questions or concerns regarding this procedure can be directed towards administrative staff. The goal is to make sure clients receive a high standard of care. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance and Portability Accountability Act, which protects patients and keeps their health information safe. In Minnesota, there are specific rules that treatment facilities must follow when dealing with substance use disorder patient records, known as Part 2. This law helps provide guidance on when and how patient records can be used and disclosed. These laws help protect patients' information as fear of legal trouble or discrimination can discourage participation in treatment. Therefore, when clients' health information is requested, unless otherwise stated, clients must provide written consent, such as a release of information, to make sure their health information is protected. Treatment facilities cannot disclose information that could identify the individual as being diagnosed with a substance use disorder, with only a few exceptions, such as when making a mandated report, in the case of a medical emergency, and if required by law. Some major takeaways from this training are, even if you are unsure, always advocate for clients and say something if you think abuse is happening. We will not face any consequences for speaking up. Make sure clients are aware of their rights, which can include filing grievance forms. Clients deserve to belong in a safe environment that promotes success in their recovery journey. All medical information is confidential with only a few exceptions. This helps ensure clients feel safe and not discouraged from being in treatment. And these are my references for creating this portion of the staff training. Thank you so much for watching.